A tale from the heart of history. A taste of authenticity. The bread that our ancestors baked with their hands. Einkorn, this ancient wheat, seems to hold the secret to health and pure flavor within it. Are you tired of soulless industrial bread? Do you want to taste the real flavor of bread? Let's revive this ancient bread together and bring the taste of authenticity back to our tables. The link to purchase this ancient flour and all the ingredients and tools in this video is available in the description box of this video as well as the first comment. To prepare this bread, you need 4 cups of ancient einkorn flour, add 1/3 of a cup of wheat bran to these 4 cups, 1 teaspoon of Celtic salt, which is the best salt in the world, and stir the ingredients together until they are incorporated. Now add half a cup of olive oil or your favorite oil to the ingredients and 1 cup of water. Mix or knead the ingredients together until they turn into a bread dough. Please note that einkorn flour absorbs moisture slowly and gradually, so don't be tempted to add more water. Also, since einkorn flour doesn't have gluten, you should definitely avoid over-kneading it. It's enough to just bring the ingredients together. After we get a uniform dough, cover it and let it rest for half an hour. After half an hour, place the dough on a smooth surface and start kneading it until its surface is completely smooth and even. To prevent the dough from sticking to your hands and the surface, you can sprinkle some flour on the surface and under the dough. What I do is shape my dough into loaves, put cling film between them, stack them on top of each other and transfer them to freezer. This way, whenever I want, I just take out as much as I need from the freezer, heat a pan and quickly bake my bread. This saves me a lot of time. This bread neither makes you fat nor causes harm. You can consume as much as you like, and with every bite, you can travel back to the past.